President Biden said that federal contractors and private businesses with more than 100 employees must require workers to be vaccinated or get a COVID-19 test each week. Our Joy Dukes has reaction from employers and joins us live in the studio. Joy.
Yeah, David, it's estimated that President Joe Biden's new federal vaccine mandate will impact at least 100 million Americans, including some right here in the Tennessee Valley. Now, while private businesses, federal contractors, and government entities are responding to these pending emergency standards, a local attorney broke down what they could mean for employers in our area. A new federal mandate has employers everywhere consulting with their legal teams as room for employee choice in the matter of getting vaccinated shrinks.
All private employers with 100 or more employees will be required to either mandate the COVID-19 vaccine or to require unvaccinated employees to submit to COVID testing at least weekly.
The mandate, which also applies to federal contractors, recipients of Medicare and Medicaid funds, and state governments under OSHA, is the latest attempt by the Biden administration to stop the spread of the Delta variant of COVID-19.
It's a really controversial topic. It's one that multiple groups have already come out on both sides. There have been legal challenges that have already been threatened.
Labor and employment attorney Justin Farrow says his phone hasn't stopped ringing since this morning. He and other attorneys are now trying to determine what this means for their clients.
I think what a lot of employers fear is that it's going to cause the workforce to abandon them if they don't want to become vaccinated and submit to the testing requirements. So further exacerbating staffing shortages and supply chain issues.
We asked some of the Tennessee Valley's largest employers how they're handling the announcement of the new mandate that could lead to a $14,000 fine per violation for entities that don't comply. A spokesperson for U.S. Express said while they are in favor of the COVID-19 vaccine, they oppose making it mandatory. Officials for McKee Foods, TVA, VW, and Blue Cross Blue Shield all said they are reviewing details in the new executive order, but still processing what it means for their organizations. Erlanger and Park Ridge officials say they are also awaiting more details, but will make plans accordingly to adhere to the new federal standards. With minimal details available at this time, Farrow says how the mandate will be enforced with individuals is yet to be determined. And these new mandates could impact Georgia and Tennessee differently because Georgia is under OSHA's jurisdiction and Tennessee is under TOSHA. For a full list of statements from employers in our area that we heard back from, you can click on this story inside the WRCB app. For now, reporting live in the studio, Joy Dukes, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.